Everybody has stress. Not everybody knows how to deal with it, and that creates a problem at work. Right now, Gallup reports 73% of workers are looking for another place, a job to jump to because the stress and pressure is so great. What if you could solve the Great Resignation with 3 neuroscience-based principles? That's what we're going to talk about at the next Heart of Florida United Way leadership certification right here in Winter Park at the Center for Health and Well-Being. I'd like to meet you there. We still have a few spots available, so plan on joining us. There is a cost. It's $9.88. That's a donation to the 988 Suicide Hotline. And there's also a cost. You have to pay attention. I'm going to give you over 70 different strategies that have been proven to make a positive difference to pull dangerous stress down. Check the link. Bring a friend. I'll see you there.